Hey Samsung fans! The One UI 8 beta based on Android 16 is coming to Galaxy S24 and S23 soon, with leaked dates hot off the press. Ready for a smoother, faster Samsung experience? Welcome to GadInsider, your hub for the hottest tech news. Let's dive into this beta bombshell. A trusted tipster leaked on X that Samsung's One UI 8 beta powered by Android 16 drops for Galaxy S24 on August 13th and S23 on September 8th. Is this Samsung's smoothest update yet? Keep watching. The leak pins the One UI 8 beta rollout for Galaxy S24 starting August 13th, with Galaxy S23 following on September 8th. Unlike the delayed One UI 7, Samsung's reportedly nailing this release, aligning it with their Galaxy S flagship timeline for better stability and user vibes. No word yet on other devices like the A series or the Z Fold, but a wider rollout plan should drop soon. One UI 8 brings Android 16's latest features to Samsung's flagship phones, promising enhanced performance and new tricks. Fans have been buzzing for this update, and Samsung's structured approach suggests fewer bugs and a polished experience. This beta lets S24 and S23 users test Android 16 early, shaping the final release. Samsung's timely One UI 8 beta shows they're stepping up their software game, aiming to outshine competitors like Apple's iOS, with the Galaxy S24 and S23 leading the charge. This could set the tone for Samsung's 2025 devices. Is One UI 8 the upgrade you've been waiting for? Galaxy S24 users, mark August 13th, and S23 users, prep for September 8th. Join the One UI 8 beta to experience Android 16 first. Are you hyped for this update or waiting for the full release? Drop it below. That's the scoop on Samsung's One UI 8 beta for Galaxy S24 and S23. Are you ready to test Android 16 or curious about what's new? Drop your thoughts in the comments. We read every single one. If you love this news, smash that like button, subscribe to GadInsider, and hit the bell icon for more tech updates.